A delegation of UNDP had the pleasure to meet with Prime Minister Evan and the ambassador of the Netherlands here in New York, and we had a very fruitful conversation that included certainly we were very impressed with the advances of Aruba, and we discussed a lot on how Aruba can showcase many of the achievements in sustainable development for the rest of the Caribbean region. We also discussed a possible important participation of Aruba in the upcoming conference on the small island development states. The Prime Minister was particularly interested in how we can advance more joint cooperation between UNDP and Aruba.
Sí, claramente un líder. Comentamos que está un par de generaciones por delante de sus compañeras, las otras pequeñas islas. El nivel de desarrollo económico es extraordinario, es tan alto como la que más, está al mejor nivel posible. El nivel de desarrollo social es muy bueno también. Hablamos de educación, hablamos de igualdad entre hombres y mujeres, hablamos de protección de la salud y de otros beneficios sociales que existen en Aruba, también a muy buen nivel. Y hablamos de medio ambiente, hablamos de la necesidad de no hipotecar en favor del desarrollo de hoy los bienes medioambientales de las generaciones futuras. En ambas cuentas, Aruba puntúa bien.
Well, one of the conversations that we discussed was that Prime Minister, for instance, is indicating that there should be more than just the GDP as a measure of development, and certainly this has been his focus, and UNDP has had a lot of experience in measuring sustainable human development from the perspective not only of GDP, but also the quality of education, the quality of life of citizens in general. And in that sense, we think that experience can be very valuable, but we could also help Aruba showcase the many achievements that it has made, and also how to other nations in the Caribbean, especially since they share the similar challenges of small islands. So there's quite a bit that both other nations can learn from Aruba, but that also as UNDP our experience can help address some specific issues that Aruba has.
Nosotros aportamos asistencia técnica y conocimiento experto en temáticas de desarrollo, tanto en la medición, pues para saber cuánto es verdad que se avanza y si las políticas públicas van por buen camino, como también para proveer soporte a acciones en materia de medio ambiente, en materia de justicia social y protección social y en materia de desarrollo económico. En todo eso, el PNUD, el Programa de las Naciones Unidas para el Desarrollo, aporta su contribución a los países de América Latina y del Caribe, y desde luego puede apoyar a Aruba a petición de las autoridades de la isla.
We were very impressed with the commitment of Aruba to its total sustainability. This is a unique not only achievement, they have already achieved quite a bit percent, we understand about 20%, but certainly we think that this is something that Aruba can absolutely be a model for the world. We hope also that they will help to convince other nations, and they will be a voice for the smaller nations on what can be achieved in terms of sustainability in the world.